Congratulations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card using the gingerbread and peppermint suite. It's fun. It opens like this. All right, here's the Frosted Gingerbread bundle, which is part of the gingerbread and peppermint suite. This is a super duper cute suite. I love it so much. It has this mini ruffled red ribbon that is going to carry over. I'm so happy about that. I bought some more. And it also has some wonderful DSP. Let me go to the catalog and show you the spread. So here are some of the samples of what you can make with this suite. There is a pillow box die, so you can make pillow boxes. And I'm going to show you a pillow box purse too that I made. Here are the products in the suite. So we've got the Frosted Gingerbread bundle and the pretty pillow box dies, the Memories and More card pack with the cards and envelopes, and then the mini ruffled red ribbon. We've got the acrylic shapes, the craft paper, the adorning designs, decorative masks, and of course the 6x6 DSP. And so this is an amazing suite with a lot of products in it that are so fun to put together. And in my previous live, I showed you 3 cards that I made with the gingerbread and peppermint suite. Excuse me, so go check that out. And if you purchase the bundle, it's still available. And or place a $40 order using my current host code, you will get that card kit for free. Just email me and let me know you want it. Okay, so now to the card. So this card was designed by my good friend Ann Oshiro from Hawaii. So I love her creativity and designs. So this is a fun fold card that opens like this. So I'm going to show you how to put this together. It's really easy. It's not hard at all. So you're going to take, grab all this, one piece of 5.5 by 4 1/4, and that is going to be your base here. And then you're going to have a 11 by 4 1/4 piece of cardstock, so just a half piece of cardstock. And you're gonna score it on each side at 2 and 3 3/4. So 2 and 3 3/4, and then just flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. And then you can fold these over. The first one in and then the second one out. And then same thing on the other side. And this will be our card base, like that. So now we're going to do some decorating, of course. So we're going to use the Gingerbread and Peppermint Designer Series paper. So I have all these little pieces cut out. So I have a 1 inch by 4, 2 of these. And these are going to go here on this sides. Actually, I did 1 by 4 and 1/8 because I wanted the layer to be really small. So I can go ahead and adhere those. This paper is just darling, and you can cut out the ornament shapes, the bells and the snowflakes and the stars and the ornaments. You can see that I'm using the bell and the ornament right now to cut those out. I cut those out. So I love it when the dies can cut out some of the images from the DSP. The coordination there is just great. And it makes it really fun to create cards and paper projects. Okay, so I'm going to put those on both sides like so. Okay, so now I'm going to decorate this piece right here. So I have a piece of, let's see how wide it is, 1 3/4. No, 1 5/8 by 4 1/8. And so that's gonna go right there. And then I have a piece of 1 7/8 by 4 1/8. And so I have 2 of each of those. So they're gonna go like this here. And this paper is so fun to coordinate because it's got all these fun colors, real red, old olive, really, you know, Christmassy colors. And these fun pinwheel designs. Super duper cute. And of course I love stripes. And let's see, you can do them so that they're like a chevron, or you can do them so, whoops, this one's a chevron. You could do them so they're going, the stripes are going all the same way. So it's up to you how you want to put these on. And you can mix up the colors. I did an old olive one, so I will show you that one. Okay, I'll do this side. There's this fun like gingerbread pattern on the back. We made this card for my stamp club last night. Nice fun fold. Okay, so now we're going to do a little bit of stamping. So on the inside, I have stamped wishing you a Merry Christmas in old olive. And then some of these fun little peppermint shapes. So let's see, where did my sentiment go? That's sending peppermint kisses. Here we go. Wishing you a Merry Christmas. Let's put that right in the center here. Oh, okay. And then we're gonna stamp some of these peppermints in real red. And I'm gonna grab a scrap paper since it's gonna go off the page. Okay, so we'll stamp like in the corner like that. And then we'll do like this. So then you can still write the person's name and sign your name as well. I'm gonna clean this. And then I like to use the retired, ink pad cleaner, and then it gets even more of the red off because the red kind of stains your stamps. Still, the stamps still work perfectly fine, but I like to try to keep them as clean as I can. All right, so now I can adhere this in the middle. This is our fun little center here. Oh, and this is, so this one I did a bigger edge or smaller size. So this is 3 1/4 by 4. Okay, so now we can adhere this onto the card base. So just put some adhesive on the back. Don't put any on the wings. Just maybe a little in the middle. And then we're going to line this up in the middle. And it's going to overlap your DSP that you put down on the card base a little bit. And that's on purpose. And if you wanted to, you could decorate this side too. But I think this is sufficient. All right, so now I'm going to take a piece of 3x3 real red and 2 7/8 by 2 7/8 basic white. I'm just gonna check that, yep. And I'm just gonna go ahead and adhere these to the card. Let me see if it works better this way. About the same. Okay, so now I'm gonna use some dimensionals just on the left side here to pop this up. Take my trash can over here. And then I'll just center that right on here. And then I've already stamped and cut out the ornament and the bell. And I'm gonna put both of those on dimensionals. So we can do the ornament over here and the bell over here. And then I have cut out some of these cute little pinwheels. Ooh, they're hard to pick up. So I did a large one and a medium one. Come on. And I did a whole bunch. So here's a small one. And I'm just gonna add some liquid glue to these. And you can use the self-adhesive sheets. That would be really smart to do that. But as you know, I seem to always forget. Not always, but a lot of the time. Whoop. Okay, that one just wants to stay, so tweezers are a really good tool to use. So I'm gonna put this one over here. And where can the big one go? Big one is gonna go over here. Scoot, scoot. And then we'll have our medium one. Oh, got the glue everywhere. Over here. Cute, cute. All right, and so now I'm gonna do a little bow using my little bow maker. Super cute. Tidy up a little bit and put the cap back on the glue. And so I've been using this cute little bow maker. It's just a couple pieces of chipboard glued together and then a hole punched in the middle, and then you cut out a little track to the hole. And to do the ribbon, whoops, since I am right-handed, I'm gonna hold with the left and leave a little bit of a tail. And I'm just gonna wrap it around, and then I'm gonna cut it about here because I need enough to go through the loop here. And then I'm gonna bring it back. So I'm gonna lay it over there and then bring it back this way and put it through the hole in the middle. And then I'm gonna pull that through just a little bit, and then I'm gonna bring it up through the groove and then put this through the loop. And then pull, 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 pull. And then you have this super cute bow with both the tails behind the bow, which I love, 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 love. Okay, and then you can trim off your tails. Oh, yeah. And of course, we're gonna use a glue dot. And we can just attach it to the bell. And voila, we have our fun fold card, care of my good friend, Anne Oshiro. So there you go. Thank you so much for watching my video on the gingerbread and peppermint sweet. I hope that you get a chance to make this card and you enjoy it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video. And join me every Tuesday at 9 a.m. Pacific time for my Facebook and YouTube Live, where I show off the latest tips and techniques for stamping and card making. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.